In 2018, the International Maritime Organization announced the zero-emission shipping strategy, which will eliminate entirely by 2050. This announcement dramatically changed the course of the shipping industry towards low-carbon or zero-carbon vessels. Demand for carbon-neutral vessels, such as zero-emission vessels, fuel-efficient vessels, or vessels powered by renewable energy, has never been so urgent. TAIYO Electrics also started to develop and manufacture new products to meet demand as a leading supplier to the industry. Since its foundation about 100 years ago, TAIYO Electrics has further enhanced its expertise in power electronics in 3 phases in order to help build low-carbon and zero-carbon vessels. First, evolution. We made our generating systems more efficient and more space-saving. State-of-art shaft generator with permanent magnet type. We further improved our technology after working with the conventional thyristor-type generating system and found a way to generate power more efficiently through low revolution, low speed. This enables a huge cost saving on fuel and vessel operation, as well as space saving inside the vessel due to the compact design. So, this evolution benefited both carbon neutrality and comfort of use. Next, deepening. By looking in depth into knowledge accumulated over many years, we developed an ideal solution to make the most of the electric capability. We closely examined the technical capability of the power electronics as a means to build a carbon-neutral vessel. The result is our new electric propulsion system, without an engine. So what is the advantage of using the electric propulsion system? It offers more comfort with a lot less vibration and noise, and the flexibility of designing equipment layout, which makes the internal system less complicated. It also offers better maneuverability as it delivers high torque at slow vessel speed. Our advanced electric propulsion system combines the most suitable rotating machine and control equipment. We adopt power electronics technology to bring the best of electricity in order to make zero carbon emission vessels a reality. And finally, renewal. We have totally updated our production sites to fully deploy our latest power electronics capabilities. In October 2021, our Gifu factory, which is our main factory, was relocated, and product development and manufacturing have been improved at the same time. Our new factory is 2.5 times larger now, and it produces large motors and generators, shaft generators, and products for the electric propulsion system. We also have 2 other factories in the same Gifu area. Gifu Hashima factory makes ventilators, and Kani factory makes compact generators as well as industrial use generator sets. Our Gunma plant also includes a factory producing medium to small generators and motors, and the other factory makes system integration controllers. These 5 factories are the core of a comprehensive production system for TAIYO Electric as a system integrator. Not only have we improved our production, we also created a new engineering department in March 2020. The aim was to streamline engineering between the generators and controllers. TAIYO Electrics takes pride in our role as a leading electric supplier of high-quality and environmentally friendly products, and we provide a comprehensive solution in order to help build carbon-neutral vessels with our all-electric systems. Evolution, Deepening, Renewal. 3-phase development of TAIYO Electric's power electronics technology. With further advanced technology, we seek further in-depth understanding and find more advanced solutions. TAIYO Electric is moving forward towards a decarbonized society by supplying zero-carbon emission systems. We are leading the way to power all vessels producing low or zero carbon emissions with our power electronics technology. Creating the future with our power electronics technology. TAIYO Electric Company Limited.